clash between them and UNEFs. But you've got to remember, UNEFs, between the two matches, so they're undefeated so far. ACCB without a win, Super Kings without a win. So, a battle of the have-nots here in match 5. Okay, back to the action. Straightens a few down the line and has this one that goes the other way. Not easy to play. You have to pick one that will and the one that won't. They might get a run here. No, they won't. I mean, firstly, let me just tell you, you take my word for it, that this would have knocked a 4 stump out of the ground. Because, is he out here? He's been out? Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. Oh, wow. Know where you are. Really, the captain. I would have been stumped. Unawares. Wow. That was out. Don't know what to think. Anyway. Oh, how about this time? See if he's learned his lesson here. It's pretty much a carbon copy of the ball. Alright. Yeah, well, that dog gets the bat down. It would be funny if it bounced back up in the air. In case he can still be stumped. This is out again. This one well stopped by Asad Abbas behind the stump. It's pretty experienced back there. This is why we love the European Cricket Series. Yes, it's harsh. Oh well, Super Kings, like I said, they need a bit of help here in the first series, and they get a bit of help from the bowler. It's a drop catch. And bowler might have one there. I suppose the one good thing for him with that wide call is that he gets an opportunity to take a wicket. Speaking of opportunities to take a wicket, this was an opportunity. Instinctive though, too much technique.